Part 2. I hope this doesn't lag or else I would literally be sad. I'm gonna use my stick on her. I don't even care if I like waste my iron, since I don't really care. Okay. She's right there. The fuck? I'm gonna heal my hearts and then fight her. I just need to heal. Dude. A monster in her natural habitat. She's literally a pro and a noob at the same time. She's a pro and a noob at the same time. What the? What? Shit! She was up there! What? What? This is so unfair! I didn't even notice she was up there! This... And my teammates aren't even... We're already... That was so unfair! That was so unfair! God, I'm gonna like literally lose. I hate this. Okay. Even my stick doesn't work. The fuck? This is so unfair. Where's my gold? Dude. What the actual fuck? Yo, she's there. This is so unfair. I'm gonna cry. Not actually, but I hope you get the point. I hope I get one more golden ingot. What are we gonna buy again? I forgot. What are we gonna buy again? I already have that. What are we gonna buy? I need like... Aww. Oh my god. Bye. Okay. I really need to go kill that person. We all need to go to kill that person. My teammates aren't helping, like, clearly. They're just going around. Shit! Okay. Such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. I hate myself so fucking much. Hey, bestie. What you doing, bestie? Bestie, do the wop. I'm going up there. Bestie, if you fell, not mine. Not my fault. Bestie! God damn it, my Minecraft is so laggy. Dude, this is not fair at all. I wanna kill her so fucking badly. Where the fuck are you? Are you up the trees again or something? Yup, she is. Oh shit! Fuck! I fell into the void. I'm sorry for cursing that loud. I'm so bad at this. God, my God. Okay. Oh my God, I accidentally got involved. Okay. Got the stick. Accidentally got the terracotta. Dude, we need to kill her ASAP. This is gonna like last forever if you don't. Ah! Oh my God. Ah! Shit. Dude, lag. Okay. ASAP. We need to kill her ASAP. We need to kill her ASAP. I'll use my stick on her. If this doesn't work, I don't know what will. Is she up there? Is she up there? Is she up there? Or is she here? Where is she? Where is she? She's up there. She's up there. She's up there. She's up there. Come down, you bitch! Come down, you bitch! Biatch, 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 biatch. Come down, biatch. Biatch, come down. Shit, shit. She knows I'm not looking. She knows. She knows. Oh, she knows. She knows. She knows. She's gonna like go down when I'm not looking. Girl, I know you're there! Oh shit. Girl, I know you're there. Come down. Come. Come. Bitch. Dude, do you really want me to go up there? Do you really want me to go up there? I mean, I will if you want to. Wifey! Wifey! Get the fuck out of there. Fuck you. I'm literally half my strength, my health. Dude, help me. Help me kill her! Help me kill her! This is so unfair. This is so unfair. Ah, what the fuck? What the fuck? Where am I? Dude, where am I? Dude. What? Okay, now I just know I'm gonna disappear soon. Okay. See, wifey? What? I hate this.